And I'm Jack. We've been doing trampoline for 3 years. Last year was our first year competing, and he was the level 5 Florida champion.
And she was the level 5 Florida champion.
Our parents were both gymnasts and acrobats. Now, my dad is the head coach at Cirque du Soleil Lanuba.
Okay, so now we're going to make a whole series of videos for you, so we could teach you guys how to do trampoline.
You just saw Jack doing a stop bounce. A stop bounce is really important on trampoline. It's a big safety rule. A stop bounce stops your jump, so if you're going near the end of the trampoline, you should do a stop bounce. The stop bounce puts the force of the trampoline through your knees and your hips. So if you finish a routine, you should do a stop bounce. If you finish jumps, you need to do a stop bounce. So we're going to show you a quick funny drill for your stop bounces. It's going to be really funny though. It's called the cowboy. Yay! Oh! So that's the stop bounce drill. So that was safety trampoline number 1. Another safety rule on trampoline is the 2-foot rule. You always be sure to put your 2 feet on the same surfaces. If you feel like 1 foot is going to go on a different surface, be sure to put your 2 feet on on the same surface. Always be sure to roll out also. It will really stop the impact. Jack, would you like to show us another roll out 2-foot rule? So that's the 2-foot rule. That was rule number 2 on trampoline. Learning things in the proper order and the proper progression is very important on trampoline. You just don't go on trampoline and say, hey, I'm going to do a back tuck today. You need to learn all the basics. There are many basics that you can learn which will help you later on the harder skills. And there's also escape routes like back drop, stomach drop, and seat drop. Those are some basic escape routes, which will really help you when you go to harder skills. So let's say you're trying to do a back-to-back, but you don't have enough rotation. You might go back to seat. Jack, can you show us a back-to-back and then back to seat? Okay. So let's say you do back-to-back. But let's say you don't have enough rotation. Then you just go back to seat. Learning things in the proper order and proper progression are very important. Be sure that you learn these skills in proper order and proper progression before you try the harder skills.